These are tryout keys. How do they work? What manufacturer flaws are built into locks that allow tryout keys to work? What are tryout keys? Stick around and I'll show you. Hello and welcome back to Lock Lab 101. What we're doing today is we're going to go over two sets of tryout keys. Here we have the Kwikset set of tryout keys, and here we have the Schlage set of tryout keys. Here we have a Kwikset lock with the key here. It's a working key. 5 pins in the lock. No problem. Okay. So essentially, what are tryout keys? In the Kwikset family and the Schlage family, essentially what is represented here is there is a key in this pile that will fit any Kwikset lock. Over here in the Schlage set, there is a key in here that will fit and open any Schlage lock. Now why is that? Let's talk specifically about the Kwikset, but the Schlage set is the exact same thing. The manufacturers manufacture these locks with the tolerances so that the cut below, the actual cut, and the cut above will open the lock. What do I mean by that? Here we have the Kwikset key cut guide. We'll take a number 4 cut. In Kwikset, if the actual key depth needs to be a number 4 cut, it'll open on a number 4, but it will also open on number 3, one above, that is 7.2, and it'll open on a number 5, a 6.0. Why do they do that? Kwikset and Schlage are two of the largest manufacturers in the United States. The vast majority of locks used in residential applications are Kwikset and Schlage. And what Quickset doesn't want is that a key that has been worn from whatever, or a lock that has been worn, when somebody's trying to get in their house, it not work. They want to have 100% repeatable reliability. So the way they do that is they manufacture their tolerances into the lock so that if the key's worn down or the lock is worn and it's not at the specific tolerance, that key and that lock will still work. That's why they do it, because they can't have someone with the correct key that's worn step in front of their house and not be able to open the door. That means that for a Kwikset that has cuts 1 through 7, there are only 243 combinations. So this set here has 9 rings of 27 keys each, and it creates a combination that has 243 rings, and it has every single combination that the Kwikset has. So here's the key for this lock here. I measured this key out earlier. These are the key cuts of this key here. So here you can see the measurements for this key starting from the bow is 32542. And these are the measurements that I measured out with a set of calipers. So in ring number D, I found a key that worked on this lock. And it's really simple one way. It's a little bit tight the other way, but that's fine. Has a different key cut. So this one is a 42642 as opposed to a 32542. So this is a 4 and this is a 6. Alright, so what you're seeing is tryout keys here, they only have the even 2, 4, 6 key cuts. And with that, on the Kwikset, it'll open every combination out there. So that's what this tryout key set is. That's why it works, because of the manufacturer's tolerances that are built into the lock so that they have an opening lock every time. Okay, so let's open this lock up and actually see what's going on in there. Here we have the actual key. Okay. And then here we have, this is the tryout key. And you see that it's just, the number 1 is a little shallow and the number 3 is a little shallow. The one cut was at a 3, and now it's a 4 for the tryout key, and then number 3 was a 5, and it's a little bit deeper at a 6. And when you look at this, number 1 and number 3 are a little bit deeper, but it still works. Okay, so those are tryout keys, and so what we just demonstrated was the Quickset and how the 2, 4, and 6 cuts can service every one of these pins. Okay, and then if you go up to Schlage does the same thing. Okay, so that is the Kwikset Tryout key set. So what all comes in this set? It comes with a carrying case. 9 rings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It also comes with a little tool kit. Okay, and this tool kit has a cylinder removing tool, small little screwdriver. These are pin depth keys, so each one of these is cut down to a depth. Okay, so these are the depth gauges for the Quickset, and this just has this is just a guide for a right hand or left hand door hinge, so you can accurately explain it. Allen wrench for lock disassembly, screwdriver for lock disassembly, Quickset knob set, lever set bypass tool. And then here you have a packing list where it shows all the keys and all the other things down here with a list of everything it comes with. And this is the Kwikset Tryout key set. And then Schlage has the same thing with all the same stuff. Okay, well, I hope you got something out of that. If you did, please consider watching my other videos, like and subscribe, and as always, have a good day.